We're back in the show with Cedric Juan, Best Actor, Metro Manila Film Festival 2023. In one of your interviews, you mentioned na ako'y nanalo, pero tuloy pa rin ako, I'm willing to do theater.
Yeah.
I'm even willing to still do nude scenes. Yung hindi mawa. Why did you say that in that
Kasi,
interview?
Tito Boy, artist po kasi ako eh. So, you tell stories, you represent, lalo na kung makakatulong siya sa may mga negative connotation ng mga communities, and gusto mong mabawasan yung mga taboos na ng mga topic. So, yun yung part namin as an actor to parang somehow to tell that story. And I think there's nothing wrong with that, with like doing nudities or like even pero may representation na tayo ngayon when it comes to like doing LGBT roles.
Wala kang limitasyon, wala kang boundaries.
Wala.
I mean, I know you're familiar with materials like Equus, for example, on stage. Kasi parating sinasabi, basta nasa konteksto, basta nasa kwento, ikaw as an actor, parang wala kang boundaries. For as long as
Justified yung mga gagawin and hindi siya exploitation, Tito Boy. Maramdaman mo siya eh, the way you talk with your director or writer, maramdaman mo kung somehow exploitation na yung nangyayari.
Tama.
Yeah.
Oo, you would know.
You
diba?
would know.
What is next?
Sa ngayon, Tito Boy, maraming lumalapit na management. Tapos, gusto kong makamiting talaga sila lahat. Kasi gusto kong marinig at maramdaman yung genuine thoughts talaga for me. Kasi I think ganyan din kami nagsimula ng Idea First Company.
Correct.
That was 6 years ago na doon ko naramdaman sa kanila na hindi lang nila ako kinukuha just to fill mga slots.
Right.
Gusto talaga nila ako kasi nakita nila yung potential sa akin.
Halimbawa lamang ikay inoffer, hypothetical, ng teleserye or movie ng GMA. Sino sa mga kapuso actress ang nais mong makatambal?
Well, actually, madami.
Top of mind, names.
Top of mind, Bianca Umali. Yeah. I think one of the
That would be
parang,
interesting.
good actress of GMA.
Oo. At habang napapag-usapan natin ito, there is no way that you're going to keep that privacy. Alam mo, yung gustong-gusto ko with humility when you said, nais ko pong magpakilala, ako po si Cedric Juan. And that's over. Because now, you're at the threshold of something really big. Are you ready? I mean, I don't know if you can ever be ready to lose that part, you know. You have become public. Are you comfortable now with the concept of fame, kasikatan, which is an entirely different concept?
Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Percy, ayaw mong maging star. You wanted to be an actor. But that's changing.
Siguro pa nagsimula yung ganyan na attitude ko kasi gusto ko makilala ko sa craft ko. Not physical, not facade. Kasi gusto ko sa craft ko talaga ako makilala. So, if ever dadalin ako ng craft ko doon. Siyempre, sobrang happy ako kasi na-appreciate ng tao yung craft ko. And I think, Tito Boy, kung paano natin pinapapasok yung mga tao, damadla, sa buhay natin, yun yung inaalaw natin para somehow ma-exploit nila. Pero ako, I really want to parang keep my privacy din. And at the same time, gusto ko na makita nila na ang mga artists, tao rin sila at the end of the
Right.
day.
And a large part of that will depend on you. You mentioned the name of Anthony Hopkins. It's possible. May mga artistang katulad ni Daniel Day-Lewis. I mean, pero, di ba? I mean, that's possible. That will depend on how you would manage.